A right circular cylinder has base radius 14 centimeter and height 21 centimeter. Okay, we need to find this. There are 4 bits. First, let us draw the diagram. A right circular cylinder. So we have a cylinder. Okay, base radius is 14. So this is 14 centimeters and the height is 21. So this height is equal to how much? It is 21 centimeter. Find area of the base or area of each end. Okay, that means area of one end, right? So area of one end is equal to circle only, isn't it? So it is pi r square. So the first one is pi r square. So let us take pi as 22 by 7. So pi is 22 by 7 and r 14. So this is 14 into 14 r square, right? Okay. So this 7 and this 2 will get cancelled. 22 into 28. 2 into 14 is 28. So this will give us 616 centimeter square. Alright. So the first bit is 616 centimeter square. So 616 centimeter square is the first answer. Curved surface area, the second one. Curved surface area of cylinder. We know the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH, right? 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi 22 by 7 into r is 14 into height of the cylinder is 21, right? So let us cancel this. 7 and 14 will get cancelled 2 times, isn't it? So this is 2 into 22 into 2 into 21. 44 into 42 will give us 1848 centimeter square. Okay, see the dimension. See, r is in centimeter, right? Height is also in centimeter, so centimeter will give us centimeter square. So this is CSA of cylinder. Alright, so the third bit is total surface area. Okay, TSA of cylinder. We know TSA of cylinder, see, is area of the base, area of top, pi r square, right? So this is pi r square. So this is also pi r square, and curved surface area, which is 2 pi RH, isn't it? So if you add all these three, we'll get total surface area. So it is 2 pi r square plus pi r square is 2 pi r square, isn't it? So plus 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH. Now see, luckily here we have already found what is pi r square, right? Pi r square 616. So I'm directly substituting that 616 here. So it is 2 into 616 because pi r square was 616, right? Plus we have also found 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH is 1848. So this is 1848. Okay. Now if you simplify this, you'll have 3080 centimeter square. Alright. Why centimeter square again here? See, r square is centimeter, right? R is centimeter, so r square will be centimeter square. So here also centimeter, here also centimeter. R is centimeter, height is also centimeter. So centimeter square will come again. Okay. Now fourth bit. Volume of right. Okay. Volume. What is the volume? Pi r square h. Base area into height will be the volume. So base area is pi r square into height. So pi r square we already found, isn't it? It was 616. So let us substitute 616 into height. Height is 21. So 21. So this will give us 12936 centimeter cube. Why cube here? R square is there, so this will be centimeter square, and h is also there, it will be centimeter. So centimeter cube will come in volume. Okay.